So good morning, all of you, one more time. And we're going to start the lesson right now. So let's do our best to finish it or to give as much as we can. So right now, the first thing that we're going to start with it is collecting like terms. Let me do the slideshow feature. Okay. As you remember yesterday, we said that if the two variables, they are like terms, which means they have the same variable with the same exponent, then what do you do in this case? You add the numbers that are beside them. If they are not, you leave them the way they are and you say it's in simplest form. So if I have 2x plus 3x, can you actually add them? If yes, all of you, please write on the chat the answer. Yalla, I'm waiting for the answers for everyone. What are the answers? Hey Dima, excellent ya Dima, 5x. Zaid Juma, excellent, 5x. Jad, Rayan, Khaled. Okay, now let's go to the next question. 7y minus 2y, can you actually do it? Excellent ya Amir. Layan, Mu'taz, 5y, excellent. Okay, now move them to C. 4p plus 3q plus 2p minus q. We did this last time. The last one, we did it last time. Excellent. And D, who can do D, the last one? 5t plus 7 minus 3t plus 3. Yes, we did it. I'm just revising. Masa, we're just giving the ones that we gave it last time, the last example. 2t plus 10. Excellent job. Now the next example, this is the new one. You didn't take it. Here are the answers. Now, if I have these expressions in front of me, 16x minus 7x minus x, can I collect like terms? If yes, please give me the answer. If no, say no. It's in simplest form. 16x minus 7x minus x. Remember that if I don't have a number, I'm going to write 1. So here, I'm going actually to write 1 so that I don't forget about it. We're doing this one right now. Excellent, yeah, Z. Z is the first one. Z Juma. Next, other than Z. Zena, yeah. No, Zena, it's not in simplest form. They all have the same variable with the same exponent, x, x, x. Yani right now, Jad, all of them, they are x, and the exponent is 1, okay? Here. Yes, it's because I was late, yeah, Adnan. The lesson just starts after before 5 minutes. Not in simplest form, the answer is 8x. And the ones that they don't get it, because this is x, and this is also x, and this is also x. Excellent, Yajad, how you got that? For 16 minus 7, this is going to give you 9. 9 minus 1, this is going to give you what? 8x. Okay? Yalla, now, this one. Are they like terms? This one, look here, I have x squared, and I have x. Excellent, Yajad. No, they are not in simplest, they are not like terms. So what are the ones that they are like terms? And I can add them. 16x squared, can you touch it? Can you do anything with it? Excellent, Yazid Jum'a. Okay, yalla, now let me hear someone. Karam, yalla ya Karam. Karam?
Yes.
Karam, what should you do in this case?
There is an exponent.
So will you touch it?
And we'll collect 7x and x.
Excellent job. So the 16x.
Because they don't have an exponent.
Excellent. So what's the answer going to be?
16x2 minus 7x.
Minus 8x. 8x. Why? Because I still have another one here that is hidden.
Yes, 1x.
Minus 8x. No, just add them because they are the same sign. So I
Okay.
can add them. So this is 8x. Okay? If you still have a problem doing the negative numbers, this will be our first lesson in the next year, inshallah. Okay? So we're going to revise it. Yalla, now the next one. In the next one, 8x alone. Can you do anything with it? Only 8x, yes, exactly, Jad and Zed. You don't have anything to do. That's it, that's 8x. So the answer will stay 8x. Remember, I told you that sometimes they give you a question and they ask you to simplify it. You just need to tell them it's in simplest form. Okay? Yes, excellent, Ya Jana. It is in simplest form already. What about the last one? Yes, Ya Raf, it will say 8x. What about the last one? 14x plus 4x minus 10x. Yes, Ya Dima. Dima, raise your hand. Because Dima, she has a question. Where is Dima? Okay, Ya Dima. Dima, what's your question? I'm trying. Yes, Dima, you can speak.
Teacher, in the second one, you said it's 8x. Isn't it 7x minus x?
No, because Dima, negative 7 here minus 1. And remember, when we have two numbers that they have the same sign, shouldn't I add them?
Well, I thought it's 16x minus 7, not negative 7.
No, minus 7x. Minus, it's the operation and the sign in the same time.
Oh, okay.
So we don't just say it is minus, it is minus, it's subtraction, and it's a negative sign. So we need to keep this in our mind. That's why in grade 6 I told you, put the head in a plus if you got confused. Okay? If you be like this, let me erase everything and rewrite it using the head in a plus. It will be written 16x squared plus negative 7x plus negative x. And here I can put just 1. Excellent. Now 16x squared, you can't do anything with it. But the negative 7 and the negative 1, they are the same sign, so I can just add them. Is it clear now, Dima?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, let's move to the next one. But before I move, Omar, he said he have a question also. Omar, what's your question? Omar, I'm trying to unmute you. Where is Omar? Omar, وينك? Omar, raise your hand, please. Okay. راح Omar. Yeah. Let's move to the next question. This is 8x. This one, the last one, will also be 8x. طيب, now I'm going to skip the collecting like terms because we're done with it, and we're going to start with expanding the brackets. Yes, Masa, unfortunately, this is the last lesson. Okay? So that's why I want to, as much as I can, revise everything with you. So now let's start with expanding the brackets. Right now, what will you do if you want to expand the brackets? Remember that you should multiply the number that is outside with everything inside the brackets. Even though you don't have a number. If I don't have a number, I simply put what? We just put 1. So here, even though I don't have a number, I'm going to put 1. Here, I'm going to put 1. Here also, I'm going to put 1. Now I start expanding. So 4 times n, it will be 4n. And 4 times 3, it will be what? 12. Now, can someone answer the next one? Mu'taz. Next one, what will the answer be, يا معتز?
2x minus 10.
Excellent job. Now, what about, thank you, يا معتز. We're done with this. يلا, now I want it, Masa, يلا يا Masa. Try the next one, B. Masa,
Yes, teacher.
on B, what will you do?
Yeah. 2
Yes.
2
2 times x, that's what?
2 times x equals 2.
To 2x.
Oh yes, 2x.
2 times x, that's 2x. The minus will go down. 2 times 5.
2 times 5 equals 10.
That's it, you're done. Okay?
Okay.
يلا يا. Now, Mansoor, the last one, C.
3 times 2g, which is 6g, and plus 3h.
That's 3h. Excellent job, yeah, Mansoor. So this is 3h. Okay, now let me see the chat. 3h, correct, all of you. Yalla, now Jad, the next one, you're going to do it. Just let me move to the next one. And this will be, by the way, the last example on expanding the brackets. Then we're going to move right away to solving equation. Yalla ya Jad, where is your hand? Yalla Jad.
Yes.
This one is
4, 3 equal 12y plus 20.
plus. Excellent job. Okay, yalla ya Wasfa, next one.
Yes, teacher.
Yalla, see, what is the
5 times 2 equals 10w plus 3.
plus? No, remember, you need to multiply the 5 by the 3 also.
5 times 2 equals 10w.
Plus 3.
5 multiply 3, which equals 15.
Excellent. So I need to write 10w plus 15. Excellent job. Now, in this case, I'm going to move right away to the equation. You can finish the booklet, by the way. Remember that we need to maintain the balance when we're solving an equation. In order to maintain the balance, whatever you do it to the right, you're going to do it to the left. So if you add here a number, you're going to add the same amount to the other side. In the equation we have, this one we call it 3 plus 2, the left-hand side because I'm using my left hand, and the 5 I'm calling it the right-hand side because I'm using my right hand, okay? So if you add to the left-hand side 5, you should add 5 to the right-hand side. If you subtract, you should subtract. Multiply, you should multiply. Divide,